Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run a custom ad or the experience ad in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type on the Chrome or the preferable browser. Then here you have to simply go to the Google Ads option from here, and once in the Google Ads you have to just simply click on the sign in or the start now button from here. And once you click on that, it will simply take you to this page, and here you can see that the page is already showing. And from here you can just simply click on the campaigns icon from here, and once you click on the campaigns icon you have to just simply click on the experiments icon from here. And once you click on the experiments icon, it will simply take you to this page, and from here you will get the option of all experiments and custom experiments. So from here you have to just simply click on the custom experiments tab from the top navigation bar. And once you click on the custom experiments you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here. And after that, here we'll get the option of here you can just simply click on the performance max experiment or the whatever you want. So then you have to just simply click on the continue, and once you click on the continue you will get the option of campaign tab. So choose display from here, then continue again, and after that it will simply complete the process. So that's how you can just easily upload experiment ad in Google Ads. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.